Hey there beautiful people, today I am going to share a DIY scrub for face which will help you exfoliate your skin, giving it a smooth texture and beautiful look. This rice scrub requires only 2 ingredients to make and it's very easy to prepare at home. This rice scrub helps in fading dark spots from the skin and gives a spotless clear skin. To prepare this rice scrub, you will need 2 to 3 teaspoons of rice and soak it for overnight or good 24 hours. After soaking the rice for good 24 hours, you will get something like this. You need to get fine paste. After soaking it for 24 hours, I got something like this. So the rice turned too soft and it was easily breakable with the help of spoon. So I am using a spoon to break it into smaller pieces and to get the right texture for the rice scrub. You can also soak rice powder instead of rice. If you have rice powder present at your home, or you can do it this way. The rice will become very soft, so it's easier for me to break it into small pieces with the help of spoon. So I'm doing it this way. Rice has many beautiful benefits, so it's been used since ages to get beautiful glowing and youthful skin, and it also provides silky thick hair. Rice water is one of the simplest way to get silky thick hair. You may have seen Koreans with that flawless skin and silky hair, and you may be wondering what the heck did they use to get that flawless skin. So this is their secret. They use rice water in their hair and also in their skin to get flawless skin. Using rice scrub on your skin will make your skin soft, smooth. After soaking this rice for good 24 hours, it was easily breakable with the help of fingers. So I am using a spoon to break it into smaller pieces and having to get a good texture, fine texture. Powder to prepare this rice scrub. Use grainy rice powder. Do not make a fine rice powder to use it as a scrub. Or you can also grind it if you want. Rice water helps in exfoliating skin very well. It removes blackheads, whiteheads and excessive oil present in your face and also in your entire body. Rice scrub on your entire body, including your hands, legs, and your dark knuckles and your knees. This will help to lighten your skin around your knuckles and knees, and also in your face. This helps in exfoliating and removing the dead skin cells present in your skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It tightens skin and reduces the formation of pores and fades down the dark patches present in your skin. You can use this rice scrub twice in a week. After using this rice scrub, you will start noticing a difference in your skin. Your skin will turn soft. Now adding 1 full teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt has lactic acid in it, which acts as a natural bleach on skin when applied. Into the rice and mix it really very well. If you have skin discoloration or dark patches around your mouth or in your face, you can simply mix some rice flour along with yogurt and apply this paste onto your dark patches on your skin and let it stay for good 15 to 20 minutes on your skin. This will fade down the dark marks on your face and improve your skin complexion. After mixing the yogurt along with the rice scrub is ready to apply. To use this rice scrub, simply take some amount of this scrub and start massaging into circular motions. You can use this rice scrub onto your face and in your entire body. After massaging for 2 to 3 minutes, let it stay for 5 minutes and wash it off after 5 minutes. If you find my DIY rice scrub helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more genuine DIY ideas for skincare and hair care.